fight you down. Tell me why.
When you see your life,
Let me tell you, if you're not wrong, then why?
everything is alright.
So we gonna walk, alright, through the roads of creation. Oh, we the generation. Tell me why.
Try through great tribulation.
Try some great tribulation.
Exodus,
Alright.
movement of the people.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Oh,
Exodus, movement of the people.
oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, open your eyes.
And look within.
Are you satisfied
With the life you're living,
we know where we're going?
we know where we're from.
Believing that the Lord will go into our fatherland. For
Exodus, movement of the people.
oh yeah. Send us another brother Moses.
Of the people.
Gonna cross the Red Sea.
Of the people.
Send us another brother Moses.
Of the